Welcome back to Super Creations. So today I am going to do how you make your own audio. So this wasn't a highly requested thing, but I just want to do it because it's fun. So first what you want to do is go to Safari, get your little picture or whatever. Get a picture. So like I'm just gonna get this one because I don't care. Do you really like I freaking care? Go to Musical.ly. Get your sound. Do a picture of it, or you can just do like a black screen of your sound, of the sound. Just save it. I already saved it. Save it, and then go to photo album, and give it font you want. Not font. Gosh, I hate my life now. Get filter. So tap image and add it. I'm just gonna put my username on Musical.ly. So y'all will follow me at Princess Naya. It's spelled a crazy way, so look at the screen, please. Yeah, I told you it was spelled crazy. Y'all probably like, what? You might want to write this down. So done. Now I'm going to put it right here. And I want to go, oh my gosh, sorry y'all. So yeah. Oh no, I don't want a background. No backgrounds, please, no backgrounds. No freaking backgrounds. Okay, I'm gonna do it again, y'all. I almost got a background. I hate my kind of background. Why do I have a background? Why do I gotta have a background? Why did you have a background? Exactly. Sorry, y'all. I'm just being really weird, talking to myself. So, after I'm done with that, I'm going to go to this button. You see it with the little arrow. Save image. It says now what you want to do is go to iMovie. Oh no, y'all can't see that. That's another video coming up. Go to that. Go create a movie, create a freaking movie, and go here. Turn on. Okay, yeah, type the plus button, type video. Recently added. Type that little thing, your save private music. Type the three little buttons, press. Oh no, yeah, don't do what I just did. Please don't do what I just did. Audio button. Why would it? The freak? I'm gonna kill you, dude. It won't let me move it, y'all. Y'all. Y'all about to see me beat someone up. I gotta do it again now. Great. Press that little audio button. And so you see, now you want to fix it to the size of your little thing. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about, y'all. So. Oh no. Okay. So now I'm done. I want to go save out. Save the part I about to go. So now I'm going to go to video start. You know, I got my video start, like, you know. Oh, y'all. So I'm going to go right here. Select video to edit. like that video.
I gave her
want a shake.
everything, she took my.
Make video. And
I
y'all
gave
know
her
how you
everything,
edit
she
video.
took
How
my heart
how you
and left me
edit
lonely.
I don't know what they call it. How you edit musical videos? Video star, you'll see what I'm about to do.
I gave her everything, she.
So press that when you go select, you know how you do the slow mo? Press that. Press edit, split screen, split. No, I keep hearing things. That's why I keep hearing animation. Oh, wait. Okay, so press new. Leave that clip. Wiggle. You see wiggling? I like that.
My heart and left me lonely.
I love it.
My heart and I gave her everything, she took my heart and left me lonely.
Oh, this is good. Okay, so. No, I'm still scared. You're not gonna save me, so me. Oh, I like that.
I gave her everything, she took. I gave her everything, she took
So this, I'm gonna do that same thing.
my heart and left me lonely.
So yeah,
I gave her everything, she took my heart and left me lonely.
y'all.
I gave her everything, she took my heart and left me lonely.
So good for my first time ever making one. Oh my gosh, just looking it up on YouTube, like, y'all, and y'all, these YouTubers help life so much. Like, oh my gosh. But y'all, that's it. That's just it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy and bye.